Once you have consistency in your sales process and in how you manage your team, it frees up your sales reps' minds to focus on selling. They're not worrying about something new that's going to be thrown at them. As they focus and fall in line with the process, it starts delivering results. The success it brings will feed upon itself. Success breeds success. As a sales manager, it's your responsibility to create the process for your team to follow. Use the sales playbook to document every step of your process. If you don't have a sales playbook, start putting one together now or ask me for my template. Happy to give it to you. Include everything that happens from cold call to close. Think of your sales playbook as a sales operations manual. Like most good operations manual, it's all about the process, not the person. Keep refining it until your process runs like a finely tuned engine. Then watch your sales grow. I hope this helps you.